Clifford, the big red dog. Clifford and the big ice cream mess. Hi, I'm Emily Elizabeth, and I have a dog named Clifford. One hot summer day, my friend Charlie and I were playing trash-lid hockey. Clifford played too. Cleo and T-Bone cheered him on. Just then, Charlie's dad called to us. He owned the snack shack.
"I'm closing the store for a while," he said. "If you need anything, just go next door to Mrs. Kit. She'll help you."
And off he went. "I'll make you an ice cream cone," Charlie said to me. I wasn't sure if Charlie was allowed to operate the ice cream machine, but it was an awfully hot day, and Charlie seemed to know what he was doing. Just then a tourist came by.
"I'll have an ice cream cone too,"
he said. "Sure thing," Charlie said to the tourist. "It's okay," Charlie said to me. "I help my dad all the time." It was true that Charlie helped his dad while his dad was there, but this was different, and I was beginning to worry. More tourists came by, all wanting ice cream cones. So Charlie and I made the cones. Cleo served them, and T-Bone collected the money. But something went wrong. "I can't stop the machine," Charlie said. All the tourists had gone away by then. "Eat fast," Charlie said, but we couldn't eat fast enough to keep up with the machine. By that time, we were knee-deep in ice cream. I think T-Bone was frightened. He jumped up on a crate and wouldn't come down. The machine was making more and more ice cream. Soon I was up to my waist in the stuff. I thought Charlie should go to Miss Kit for help, but Charlie wanted to handle things himself. Meanwhile, the dogs seemed to be having a grand old time. Cleo and T-Bone used trash can lids to serve the ice cream. Clifford blew the ice cream and made big waves for them. T-Bone seemed to have gotten over his fear pretty quickly. But Charlie and I weren't having any fun at all. We were up to our chests in ice cream and in deep, deep trouble. "I wish I knew how to fix this," Charlie said.
"I can fix it,"
said Charlie's dad. He maneuvered the lever and the machine stopped. But it was too late. Ice cream was everywhere.
"You should have asked Miss Kit for help,"
Charlie's dad said. Charlie felt very ashamed. "Sorry, Dad," he said. "I really thought I could handle it." On that day, Charlie and I learned an important lesson. If you need help, ask for it. Charlie's dad gave each of us a mop, and together we cleaned that big ice cream mess. The dogs helped too. T-Bone and Cleo ate until they couldn't eat any more. But Clifford still had room for one last lick. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Clifford stories, check out my Clifford playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And also hit that notification bell to be notified of new videos as soon as they come out. We'll see you all in the next video.